Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense, and today we're going to take a look at a homograph. A homograph. What is a homograph? A homograph is a word that's spelled exactly the same, can have slightly different pronunciation, and a totally different meaning. What? Yeah, English is crazy like that. Come on. The word today is Present. Present. Present, short E. Present. What's a present? A present is a gift. Let me give you a present. Okay. And present can also be an adjective. What's an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. So, if present, the adjective means in the moment. Are you present? Yes, I am present. I'm in the moment. To be present is to be in the moment. Or when a teacher's taking attendance, SL Rockfish, present, here. Like I'm in the moment. I'm in attendance too, present. Oh, that's 3 definitions for present. Okay, now we take present. Wait, it was present. I know, but it's a homograph, so it can have a different pronunciation and a different meaning. Present. Let me present the word present. What? Present, the verb, means to show. I'm going to present these 2 words. Got it. Present, the noun, a gift. Present, the adjective, in the moment. Be present at all times. Present, the verb, mean to show. Let me present some more English lessons. Why does English have 2 words that are spelled exactly the same, can have slightly different pronunciation and totally different meanings? I don't know, but now you can read and understand and pronounce this sentence, I hope. Bill will present the present at midnight. What? Didn't get it the first time? Let's do it again. Bill will present the present at midnight. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with present as a noun or an adjective? Or can you make one with present as a verb? You can? Present it in the comments. Peace, friends.